Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make quercetin at home step by step. Start by reviewing safety, sourcing, and the basic solvent extraction concept so you know what to expect. Wear gloves and eye protection, work in a well-ventilated space, and keep children and pets away. Gather dried onion skins, apple peels, ethanol 70%, a digital scale, glass jars, and coffee filters before moving to the extraction steps. Begin extraction by weighing 50 grams of dried onion skins or apple peels and placing them in a clean glass jar. Pour enough 70% ethanol to fully submerge the plant material, seal the jar, and label it. Store the jar in a cool, dark place and shake it once a day for 7 to 10 days. After maceration, strain the liquid through a coffee filter into a clean container for clarification. After filtering, concentrate the liquid by gently evaporating solvent in a warm water bath, keeping temperature low to avoid degrading compounds. When the volume is reduced, transfer the concentrated extract into amber bottles for light protection and label each bottle with the date and source. Store in a cool, dark place and monitor for changes. Discard any extract with off odors, cloudiness, or visible mold to stay safe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.